Welcome to this video. In the next 2 minutes, I'll guide you through where you can locate health services for Earwax Removal London, a trusted provider specializing in safe and effective ear care solutions. Earwax Removal London is not just about clearing blocked ears. They offer a range of health services designed to improve hearing, prevent discomfort, and give patients reliable access to professional care. Knowing exactly where to locate these services is the first step toward better hearing health. The first place is their official website. Here, you'll find a dedicated section that outlines every service they provide, from microsuction earwax removal to general ear health checkups. The site also includes booking options, service details, and information about clinic locations. The second place is their physical clinics across London. Each clinic is staffed with qualified professionals who use the latest equipment to ensure safe and comfortable treatments. If you prefer face-to-face consultations, this is the most direct way to access their services. The third place is through their telephone and online support. Many people don't realize that you can speak with a member of their team for guidance before you even step into a clinic. This makes it easy to ask questions, understand your options, and schedule appointments with confidence. The fourth place is their social media channels. Earwax Removal London actively shares updates, health tips, and clinic news, making it another reliable spot to locate information about their services. To summarize, you can locate health services by Earwax Removal London through their official website, their network of clinics, their customer support lines, and their social media platforms. Each of these ensures that access to professional ear care is never far away. That's your complete guide on where you can locate health services by Earwax Removal London, your trusted partner for healthier ears and clearer hearing.